Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is avian influenza infection. A patient from Louisiana exposed to sick and dead birds in a backyard poultry flock has been hospitalized with a severe H5N1 avian influenza infection confirmed by the CDC. This marks the first severe human case of H5N1 linked to backyard poultry in the US, among a total of 61 reported human infections in 2024.
Before we proceed, let us inform you that all classes of Drishti IS Mukherjee Nagar have now been shifted to Noida. Admissions are open for the ISGS Foundation course offline batch in English medium. Our address is C171/2, Block A, Sector 15, Noida. For location details, click on the link provided in the description. For more information, call 9311 406 440. If you wish to receive a call back from our counselors, fill out the form provided in the description.
Genomic insights and global context. The H5N1 virus infecting the Louisiana patient belongs to the D1.1 genotype, recently found in wild birds, poultry, and human cases in Canada and the US. A mutated H5N1 virus in a Canadian teenager earlier this year showed enhanced adaptability to humans, raising concerns about its pandemic potential. Preventive measures and future focus. Enhanced surveillance of backyard flocks, wild birds, and poultry farm is critical. Additional genomic sequencing of the Louisiana case is underway to refine understanding and response strategies. The emergence of genetically reassorted strains worldwide points to the need for global collaboration in monitoring and combating avian influenza. Now it's time for the practice question. What is significant about the Louisiana case of H5N1 avian influenza? First human case in the US. First severe case linked to backyard poultry in the US. First case of the B3.13 genotype. First case involving wild birds. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.